What's going on, everyone? And today we are swapping out my old shifter cables and putting on these new ones. They're used from another Type S, and reason being why the shifter cables are being swapped was kind of obvious. They're done. So if you look at this one right here, this thing is completely toast. And actually the wire here snapped like almost in half. See how there's a braid right there? Yeah, so one of the braids like snapped off and it was super loose and impossible to get into gear. Actually broke down on me in the middle of the road. Funny enough. But yeah, so we're swapping that out, and I guess I'll be showing you guys how it's done. Relatively simple, as you guys can see. Just a couple of bolts. Kind of tedious because you got to get under the car, remove the heat shield for the header, and take apart part of your interior as well. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, first things first, as you guys saw already, remove the air intake, whether you have a, the box original one or an aftermarket intake. You got to remove that, get access to the actual cables here, and relatively simple to get them loose. There would be a bolt here, here, and here, and there. So total 4 bolts, kind of sits up here like that. And you just remove those. I believe it's a 12, and yeah, so you get that removed, and then this whole thing is loose here. And you got to get your car up in stands, obviously, as you see here, since we do have to get into the car, and I'll be showing you what bolts to remove. Actually get these bushings off, it's relatively easy. Say for example, this one sits like, in this knob right here, right? All it is this little pin right here that's like inserted here, and all you gotta do is just remove it, and make sure you keep these little I guess like spacers, I guess. Make sure you save those. And yeah, pretty simple. Like I said, this kind of like sits on this right here. You have that pin to make sure this bushing doesn't move around and accidentally eject. So we got to remove those pins, boom, remove this one, and just that simple. All right, we are under the car now. As you can see, you got this bracket here that holds this line. Let me see if I can just get some light under there. So these screws right here, they're just like a little mocking point, so the shifter cables have a place to sit. So you got to remove those bolts back there. If you come back here, you can see back there as well. Yeah, this lighting sucks, sorry guys, but as you can see, there's bolts back there as well. And you're gonna have to remove this heat shield for this header right here, where you got these O2 sensors, because you can see back over here, maybe not, if you see back there, see where the cables go up into the shifter box. Little black rubber thing is it's a gasket basically, so the water just get in there. You got to remove that. In order to access that, you got to remove this shield here. So yeah, like I said, relatively easy, just a bunch of bolts here. So I'm gonna get, all right, so we got all these bolts loose. Ran into just a little tiny hiccup that's not really a big deal. This sway bar here, if you can see, there's 2 bolts right here to it, right? We got to loosen those 2 bolts here and the 2 bolts over here. Reason for that is because you can't really access these bolts back here unless the sway bar, unless it's detached, and you can just move it around like so. So just 4 bolts, nothing crazy. And yeah, as you can see, remove the shield. Everything up here is loose, and yeah, heat shield very easy to remove. All you gotta do is remove 3 bolts and just kind of slide it under the header over here from this way, and it just comes off. So you don't gotta drop your exhaust or anything like that, it just comes right off. And yeah, as you can see, we got this little gasket here, and we can move into the interior and start tearing shit apart inside. Let's go. All right, so we got this interior thing out of the way. So for the center console, it's relatively easy. You got 2 Phillips here that you gotta loosen first. Come over here and loosen up these bolts here as well. Everything just clips, it comes off relatively easy. So yeah, I'll show you guys what we got over here. So yeah, it's just like I said, just literally just clips, so pretty easy to take out and reinstall. So yeah, now we're here. Now you can see the cables are right here, and I'm about to remove these little pins. Make sure you keep these little pins because we're going to reuse them. So we got to remove these pins so we can get this old cable out, and as you can see, same thing over here. All right guys, so we got the cables out. Really tricky on this one right here. You actually have to turn the actual you can see there's a little place where you can fit a fucking wrench in it. So here, you actually gotta twist this, turn it, and then pull it out to remove it. But yeah, we got that done. And what we did is we pushed the cables out from the inside out through here. So this is where we're at now. We removed these brackets already. So these brackets, literally these little pins right here, I guess. You kind of just get like a flathead or something, just pry them out, and that's how you remove it. But other than that, she's looking good. Oh, Fernando.
Looks good, man.
All right, guys. So shifter cables are in. Pretty self-explanatory install. You know, you got to feed a line in through here into the center console. I mean, just bolts. You know what I mean? You got to make sure you twist that little knob to fit it in here. So same idea. So before you install this, you got to make sure it's twisted. Push it in and then twist it over here. But other than that, you know, it's good to go. You know, it feels really, really nice, man. And yeah, pretty easy. Just, you know, make sure you put the bolts back on, make sure the sway bars, you know, get it hooked up back on, and then that's pretty much it. Car's good to go. Put it in gear right now, put it in reverse. She is good to go. But yeah, look what we got going on over here. What's up, boys? Got some clear broad going on this car here, and this one came out fucking mint, as you guys can see. And this one I kind of fucked up, and you can probably see that glare on it right there. But yeah, just cruising, chilling. Hey, Jesus about to go pick up some food right now, right, Jesus? Sure. Oh shit. It's a recording time, bro, so you better make this shit interesting, bro. I like this shit.
I go lower than the... What?
When you drive, is your two hands. You're always like this.
He's like the person that...
You saw me doing it yesterday?
No, because you do it all the time, Wade.
I drove with one.
Yeah, that fool's being like on a 25, both hands on the wheel.
Yeah,
Going a pace in the head too,
Because you were scared, huh?
No, when the car would jump, I should have thrown my ass.
Oh yeah, that definitely. Yeah,
Where's Morrow?
It's to the left.
well, you can't make a left here. You gotta bust a U-turn on that.
I would hop a curve for
I mean, shit, might as well.
No, you can't go here.
Clear broad road, you're good.
I mean, you can. Holy shit. You can't even buy gas.
Yeah, no, it's all government. Woo! Damn! Is that a jar fucker? Ah! Damn, son! We passed our exit, but that shit was sick. yeah, those brakes, bro. Holy shit.
Right back there?
Yeah, it's a mega U-turn right here. Yeah, it's like it's always empty.
This looks like...
You better peel that shit, bro.
Bro, fucking for real, bro. Damn, fool's good.
Just kidding, bro. Not next to the curve.
You got it.
On that turn, yeah, but not this one.
Alright, so make a right on that. Oh, here's the parking space, yeah. Look at this, dude. That shit surprised me. That shit pulled hard, even with all of us in you. It's an HR pool.